Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 2 with the ZW3D software. Okay, first I will create new drawings. You can click part here, click OK. In here I will click sketch and we can choose a top plane. Click OK again. I will create a rectangle start from center point. Click from this point. Okay, center. And I will set for height into 92. For width 142. Click OK. Now you can use fillet command. Okay, we can fillet in this corner with radius 10. Can select at this point. We fillet again in here. Okay, at this point. The next in here. You can click OK. We can create circle with radius 8. We can set into 8. I will click start from this point. Click again in here, and last at this point. We can use a quick dimension to set a distance from the center point into here. I will set into 21. Also in here, we can set into 21. The next from this point into here, set into 21. And the last from this point into here, you can set into 21. Okay, now you can exit and we can use extrude tools to extrude these entities. We can set for extrusion with one side, and in here I will set for extrusion into 14. Click OK. We can select at this face and we can create new sketch. I will create a rectangle, okay, with center point. Also, you can click from here, center point, and move into here. We can set for height into 14. Click OK. We create again a rectangle, start from this point. Okay, we can create again rectangle in here, and I will set for width into 14 and for height into 92. You can click OK. Use a power trim to cut this line object in a center point. You can click exit sketch, and now in here we can use extrude again. I will select these entities and we can extrude with the extrusion 40. Click OK to apply. Next, I will add shape to add between these two objects. Click OK. And now we can use chamfer tools. You can click here, chamfer. We can set for chamfer size into 15. For edge, you can select this edge. You can select one by one this 4 edge. Click OK to apply. The next, you can select in this face. We create again new sketch. In here, I will create circle. We can set from a center point to end point. You can click from this point and click in here. We can close sketch and we can click yes. In here we can set sketch. Okay, we can click circle from this point into here, and we can click OK. The next exit, we can use extrude tools to extrude the circle. We can set into symmetricals, and I will set for extrusion into 10. Okay, the next we can click OK. In here we can use 8, so it will be combined between these all objects. You can click OK. It will be combined. We can select at this face and then we can create sketch. We can create a circle from this point. Okay, we set radius into 20. Click here for radius. Okay, set into 20. We can OK, and then we can exit. We can use extrude tools to extrude the circle object to the top. We can set into one side, and I will set extrusion into 30. You can click OK. The next, select again at this face. We can create new circle. We can set in here for radius into 10. Click OK. Now you can exit and we can use extrude tool, select these circles, move to the bottom, these arrows, and we can use a cut option, change extrusion into 70. You can click OK. So it will be create hole in the center point, you can see. Finally, we can use a fillet command. You can click here fillet, and we can set for radius into 2. In here, set into 2. For edge, we can select this edge. Okay, also at this point. In here. And the last in at this edge. Now you can click OK to apply. And then we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 2 with ZW3D software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.